Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. In this video today we're going to learn how to add badges in LinkedIn. Okay, you can add any kind of badges in your LinkedIn profile. So I will show you how you can add it. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Here I'm on my LinkedIn profile. So you have to just log in with your LinkedIn profile. After that, just click on home. After that, just click on this name. Okay, just click on your name, so it will be bring you your profile page. Okay, so here you can see your all profile details. Now in order to add badges or license certificate in your profile, so here you can see the option called add profile section. Click on it, and this pop-up will be open. Okay, so here you can see the add license and certificates. Just click on it under recommendation, and now the window will be lowered. Now you have to name, you have to enter the name of the associate security. So I just type the Google Cloud Architect, and here you go organization names. So I just name is Google. Okay, so you can see there are many organization has. You have to just search by name and just select it. Now this is the issue date. You have to you know select the, now if you have if your certificate has the expiry date, that you have to also choose the expiry date. If click on it and just choose the expiry date of your certificate. If you don't have expiry date on your certificate, just click on it, it will be disabled. Now this is the credential ID, which is I think 10 9 to I think 9, yeah, 10 9 or 10 digit number of your certificate. So you just find out the credential ID on your certificate and just enter it. So just enter 123 for example, and this is a credential ID. This is you can insert your certificate link here. Okay, if you have individual like hard copy of certificate, then you can do one thing. You can scan your certificates hard copy and it is upload to your Google Drive account. Okay, Google Drive account, and after upload, just get the shareable link from Google Drive and just paste it. Okay, and just save it, so it will be URL of your certificate. Or if you have certificate on website, organization website, then you can share this link to here. Okay, and just click on save, so it will be show to your profile. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.